Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete Google account. So first of all, open Gmail. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get start. Look at the right corner, tap onto profile icon. Go to Google account. After that, click on date and privacy. Scroll down. Select delete and Google service. Scroll down. Tap on to continue. If you want to download your all data, click on. Or go back. Click on to Gmail and type here your email address. First time send a verification and then shown here to delete option. So that's how you can easily delete Google account. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.